How to redeem WowCoins to WowCredit as credit talk. This is my husband's account. He is using WowApp for casual uses, so that he makes his account privately. 900 coins earned by himself. I'll show you steps to redeem your WowCoins to WowCredit. WowCredit as credit talk, usable to calling outside WowApp. This becomes a superiority feature on WowApp, because the founder of WowApp runs a telecommunications business as a global leader in connecting calls and funds. Knobel, Ltd., established since 1998. This company operates a global TDM, VoIP network. You can find it furthermore info through Knobel's site, the link attached inside video description. Scrolling down earnings menu tab. Then choosing cash out. We will take into WowApp cash out page. You can redeem your available earnings. Then choosing WowCredit. There is no fee for this method. The minimum amount is 100 coins. 100 coins equals $1. Input the amount that you want. Click Continue. Then choose Transfer. It says, your conversion to WowCredit has been successfully processed. Then WowApp will notify me that my cash out request is registered. Still zero. Then WowApp will notify me back when it was processed. Within 5 minutes, coins has been reduced and transferred to WowCredit. With WowCredit, I can call mobiles and landlines anywhere in the world at the lowest rates on the market. Here's my video, how do I use WowCredit and how it helps a lot to reducing phone bills. Join WowApp only through existing user. So join me through the link inside video description.